Hi viewers. By now, the fetus is 6 weeks old. Let's see what are the changes that is happening during this week. By now, the heart beats with regular rhythm and is visible as a dot beating in an ultrasonography but not felt by the mother. It beats 150 times per minute till the birth. The fetal brain in this week tries to divide into hemispheres and the intestine are beginning to develop during this week. The tiny buds grow into nose, mouth, ears, arms, and legs. The optic vessels are developed into the baby's eye by this week. Now, the fetus measures 0.08 inches to zero point 0.2 inches from crown to rump and is in the size of a lentil. The mother still continues with the nausea and vomiting, and in some cases, it may be aggravated. As the fetus is growing more and more, the mother becomes tired and needs adequate rest. The mother complains of breast tenderness, pain, and enlargement. As the pressure exerted on the bladder increases, the mother complains of frequent urination. The mother is having increased nausea and vomiting. Encourage her to take dry biscuits and crackers. Sometimes sips of water also helps. Provide adequate rest to the mother. As the mother complains of breast enlargement and tingling sensation, encourage her to wear a supportive bra. Encourage the mother to follow a healthy lifestyle, that is to prevent alcohol and smoking. Encourage her to take adequate folic acid supplements as folic acids are required for the prevention of congenital anomalies. Encourage her to take healthy balanced diet during this period and to avoid caffeine products and fried items. She can also have mild exercises as yoga, walking, swimming, which can make her more active. With this, we complete 6th week of fetal development. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.